The popularity of J-10CE get high scale in recent Pakistan-India conflict, but Pakistani JF-17 Block 3 also played a pivotal role in this modern aerial engagement. During war, Pakistan's military surprisingly announced that it had successfully targeted and destroyed an Indian S-400 air defense system in Adhampur, located in the Jalandhar district of India's Punjab state. The airstrike, reportedly carried out with hypersonic missiles launched from JF-17 fighter jets, was described as a precise operation that neutralized one of India's most advanced air defense assets, valued at approximately $1.5 billion. The JF-17, introduced in 2007, is a cornerstone of Pakistan's Air Force, designed to replace aging Mirage and F-7 aircraft. The JF-17 fighter jet is a joint development between the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex (PAC) and China's Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group (CAIG), with the latest variant being the Block 3. The JF-17 Block 3 is reportedly to incorporate design elements from China's fifth-generation fighter, the J-20 Mighty Dragon, making it a more advanced and capable platform compared to its predecessors. One of the key upgrades in the JF-17 Block 3 is its integration of an active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar, the KLJ-7A, developed by China Electronics Technology Group. Analysts assert that this cutting-edge radar rivals some of the most advanced systems in the world, standing toe-to-toe with the US-made APG-81 radar that powers the stealthy F-35 and the formidable N-036 phased array radar found on Russia's next-generation Su-57. Additionally, the JF-17 Block 3 features a helmet-mounted display and sight (HMD) system and an advanced electronic countermeasures (ECM) suite, enhancing its situational awareness and survivability in combat. The JF-17 Block 3 is equipped with two primary air-to-air missiles, the PL-10 and the PL-15. PL-10, a short-range infrared-guided missile comparable to the U.S. AIM-9X, the PL-10 is also used by China's most advanced fighter, the J-20 Mighty Dragon. PL-15, a long-range missile with an operational range between 200 to 300 kilometers, providing a significant advantage over air-to-air missiles fielded by India's fighter aircraft. The PL-15 is China's standard beyond visual range air-to-air missile, ARM, featuring an active radar seeker and dual-pulse motor, which extends its range up to 124 miles, 200 kilometers. Its two-way data link enables mid-course updates, ensuring higher accuracy against maneuvering targets. Moreover, its AESA radar seeker operates in both active and passive modes, offering superior resistance to enemy electronic countermeasures compared to previous Chinese air-to-air missiles. Aside from the J-20 Mighty Dragon, the PL-15 is integrated into China's J-10C, J-11B, J-15, and J-16 fighters. In 2022, Pakistan began receiving PL-15 missiles for its JF-17 Block 3, the latest iteration of the aircraft, which was launched by PAC at its camera production facility in northern Islamabad in 2023. Beyond air-to-air combat, the JF-17 Block 3 is now reportedly capable of launching the PL-10E high-off-borosite missile, which can be guided solely using the pilot's helmet-mounted display and sight (HMD) in within visual range (WVR) dogfights. The platform's versatility allows it to carry a range of munitions, including air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and, as claimed in this operation, hypersonic missiles. The use of hypersonic missiles in the airstrike is particularly noteworthy. Hypersonic weapons, capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, are designed to evade traditional air defense systems due to their speed, maneuverability, and low-altitude flight profiles. While Pakistan has not publicly disclosed the specific type of hypersonic missile used, military analysts suggest it could be a variant of a domestically developed or Chinese-supplied system. China, a key ally of Pakistan, has made significant strides in hypersonic technology, with systems like the DF-ZF hypersonic glide vehicle and the YJ-21 missile. Reports are emerging that the formidable JF-17 Block 3 has now been armed with the deadly Timer Air-Launched Cruise Missile, ALCM, a precision weapon engineered to annihilate both stationary and moving targets, including warships, from a staggering 280 kilometers away. This game-changing addition amplifies the fighter's lethality, making it a formidable force in modern aerial warfare. With cutting-edge avionics, seamless weapons integration, and the power to strike deep into enemy territory, the JF-17 Block 3 is not just an upgrade, it is a revolution in Pakistan's air combat capabilities, cementing its status as a force to be reckoned with in the skies.